BuddyBoss just rolled out a brand new settings experience. The old checkbox layout is gone, and there's no longer a components menu on the left. In its place is a clean card-based design where every feature is front and center, just one click away. Let's take a look. To open the settings panel, go to BuddyBoss, then Settings. This is the new BuddyBoss 3.0 interface. You'll see all available features displayed as cards across the screen. Each card includes the feature name, a short description, a settings button, and a toggle switch. Every core feature of your community lives here. Member profiles, activity feeds, social groups, private messaging, and more. This replaces the traditional left-hand components menu entirely. Also, if you're looking for pages, those are no longer found here. They've been moved under Appearance. At a glance, you can see what's active, what's turned off, and jump straight into any feature's settings, all from one screen. It's a faster, more intuitive way to manage your platform. Before diving into individual features, let's look at navigation. The search field at the top lets you quickly find any feature by name. Just type what you're looking for, and results update instantly. Below that, you'll find filter tabs. All shows every feature. Active shows only enabled features. Inactive shows features that are currently turned off. On the right, the category dropdown lets you filter by feature type. This makes it easier to focus on specific areas like community features or integrations without scrolling through everything. Turning features on or off now takes just one click. Find the feature card you want, like activity feeds or private messaging, and toggle it. An orange toggle means the feature is active. A grey toggle means it's turned off. Changes apply instantly. There's no need to click Save. If a feature isn't relevant to your community, simply turn it off to keep your platform clean and focused. Each feature card also includes a settings button for deeper configuration. Click it to open that feature's settings page. From there, settings are organized into tabs, making them easier to navigate and manage. You'll also notice a new documentation sidebar. This gives you quick access to written guides and video tutorials for each feature, so you can learn and configure settings without leaving the page. Just like the main panel, changes are saved automatically. When you're done, click back to Settings to return to the main panel. Below the core features, you'll find the Add-ons section. Add-ons extend your platform beyond the built-in functionality. Each one works the same way. Toggle it on to activate it, and click Settings to configure it. Some features may require a higher plan. If that's the case, you'll see a prompt indicating that access is limited, along with an option to upgrade. The integration section connects your BuddyBoss community with third-party tools. To get started, find the integration you need, toggle it on, and click Settings to configure it. And that's a look at the BuddyBoss 3.0 settings experience. With its card-based layout, built-in search, and integrated documentation, everything is easier to find and manage. You can control features instantly, access help when you need it, and keep your platform streamlined, all from one place. It's a simpler, more efficient way to manage your community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.